Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Microsoft Teams app is stuck on a loading screen and giving you the network error code CAA70007, I will show you exactly how to fix your connection and log back in right now. Let's get started. First, this specific network error is almost always caused by a desynchronized system clock, which instantly breaks the security certificates your computer needs to log in. Right-click on the time and date in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure the Set Time Automatically toggle is turned on and click the Sync Now button to perfectly match your computer's clock with the Microsoft servers. Next, if your clock is correct but the error persists, we need to clear out the corrupted background login files. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open your Run dialog box. Type exactly %appdata %Microsoft/Teams and press Enter. When this hidden folder opens, simply select every single file and folder inside and hit Delete. Doing this completely resets the app's temporary data and forces a clean connection the next time you open Teams. Finally, your core Windows Internet security protocols might be misconfigured or disabled. Click your Windows search bar, type Internet Options, and open the Control Panel app. Click on the Advanced tab at the top and hit the Restore Advanced Settings button near the bottom. Then scroll down the security list to make absolutely sure Use TLS 1.2 is checked. Click Apply and restart your computer to permanently resolve the error. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.